One of the big mistakes that salespeople make when demonstrating value or showing someone a part of their products they deem to be valuable to the customer is not matching that particular part of the product to the need of the client. What then happens is we go on this strange sort of monologue about a product without actually focusing it or giving ourselves the best possible chance of making it sound valuable in context of the client. There's a real simple process we can use to make sure that we're adding the most value as possible and making it clear that the value is there for the customer. And that's driving with the need. And we're going to talk about something called NFABQ. And that stands for need, feature, advantage, benefit, question. You're probably used to seeing FAB, feature, advantage, benefit, but the danger of that is that it doesn't match the client's need. Now, whenever you're showing someone a part of your product, you've got to treat your product like a tool belt, and you've got to use the right tool to solve the right problem. So without the need, you're just randomly showing them something. So let's say, as an example, your need is that you keep spilling your coffee down your shirt and you're spending £30 a week on dry cleaning as a general need. Well, let's talk about the FAB. The feature is an opposable thumb on my hand. The advantage of this is that it clutches things with dexterity. The benefit for you is that you will no longer spill your coffee down your shirt having to spend £30 a week on dry cleaning. Can you see how this is going to solve that problem? That's the question at the end. So need, feature, advantage, benefit, question. The question is deliberately a closed question because you want confirmation, yes or no. Now, you'll know when you're delivering a benefit because it will have lots of you and your in it. So as an example, you will no longer spill your coffee down your shirt, meaning you will no longer have to pay £30 a month on dry cleaning.